Wait, let me try
It's
to look at
getting ready again for sleep from a tired night out. Isn't it, Mimi? Uh, she played for an hour outside, running here and there, and have her treat, food treat. And now it's time to sleep. I like when she's doing like this, massaging the feet. I'm just thinking it's my back. I wish she's massaging my back. She's look at the eyes is closed, but she's what? The eyes is closed, but she's doing like that. Oh, it's like massaging my back. Hello. The eyes now is open because I was not so noisy. So she opened her eyes. Yeah. Well, it takes so long to like that. It takes her a long time to. She's getting ready. Keep on massaging. Why do they cut like that? Why cat do like that? Okay, good night, Mimi. Good night.